Before Encase, nothing was really broken, or so it seems. Schedules were written down, then copied to either a printed or digital calendar, then confirmed again. Tasks were assigned in conversations, followed up through messages, and remembered mostly by people. It worked, but it depended on constant checking. Just confirming, remind lang po. Attorney, sure na ba ito? Not because anyone was careless, but because missing one detail cost too much. So, people double-checked and triple-checked. The paralegal, the junior lawyer, the lead. Everyone carried part of the risk. The pressure wasn't loud, it was quiet. Always present, always in the background. Because when something slips, it doesn't look like a system issue. It feels avoidable. After the fact, it feels like we should have caught it. But it always feels personal. It lands on our team. This is how many law offices and firms still operate. Operational, but risk-heavy. Dependent on diligence, not by design. It works until it doesn't. And this is the problem Encase was built to solve. Built for lawyers and legal teams, not as a generic productivity tool, but a centralized legal workspace, an app that truly respects the responsibility you carry.
Encase, our case management system. Calendar, Case e-filer, client and case record, billing, deadlines, attached case documents, and a clear timeline of what happened before and what's next. Directory, notes, add task collaborators.
Two-factor authentication to help safeguard our account.
Firm members' role, scope, and limitation. Administrator has control everything. Add, edit, delete, invite, and more. Lawyer or partner can add, edit, invite, and more, except deleting. Associate and paralegal have limited access only. Available on mobile and desktop. And since our practice involves clients, that's why we built Encase for Clients, a secure, case-specific space where clients can see their case status, upcoming hearings, upload documents securely, and view billing and payment records connected to their matter. Appointment booking, document submissions, and case updates connected to our legal workflow. Available on Google Play Store and App Store. All in one system, all in Encase.
Try Encase today.
One.
Welcome back to the Off Court series where we talked about the realities of legal practice. We will be your co-host for this entire year. So, we will be having this Off Court sessions every third Saturday of every month, this 2026. So, we will be your co-host. I am Attorney Jan and
I'm Attorney Giovanni Hill. Oh, good evening, Pañeros, Pañeras.
good evening, Pañero. How was your week? How was your month?
Your week? Labi naman yung month, no? Hindi ko na malala na yung week eh. Di ba?
This week has been very hectic because we just had our series of trial.
Oo, yung week natin, no? Parang, ang daming trial this week. Pero okay lang naman, exciting. Di ba?
And now we are here to do our service to
Actually,
our
Attorney Jan,
compañero.
Actually,
Yes.
Attorney Jan, excited ako every third Saturday sa month kasi mag-usap tayo, di ba? Alam
yes.
naman natin na hindi naman nung bago ako Attorney Jan, ang hirap, wala. Actually, is sponsored by Incase.
Oh, thank you so much, Encase.
Yeah. So, Incase talaga, it's like case management system, no? Di ba? Alam naman natin sa practice, ang hirap pag yung nasa folder. Pero buti na lang ngayon, may Incase na.
Apart
diba?
from case management system, we
Ah.
also have a little surprise later.
Oh, di ba? Ang daming nangyayari sa Incase. Oh.
But before we talk about that, last episode pala, Attorney Hill, we talked about the first year in legal practice and the challenges
naalala ko
that comes with
last
it.
March, no? Ikaw yung artista dun eh.
Well, small things.
Oh, smile naman para sa mga fans.
No. Joke lang yan, guys. Huwag kayong, char.
Sige.
Pwede namang seryosohin, baka naman. Anyway,
Oh, single pa naman si Atty. Jan.
civil status. Wow. One of the topics that we have talked about, Attorney Hill, on our last episode was
Ano ba yan?
about consultation.
Consultation. Oh, yan. Actually,
And now,
mahirap din yung consultation. Kaya this second episode, Atty. Jan, we are talking about consultation.
that's why we are allotting at least one episode for that
paano ba
topic.
mag-handle, no? Kung yung consultations.
It's very challenging. At first, it sounds simple, but hindi ganun yon.
Pero hindi naman,
So,
sa mga bagay-bagay na nakapag-prepare tayo, okay lang.
Okay lang.
Pero
But
hindi naman
what about?
natin ma-prepare yung bagay na hindi pa natin na-imagine.
Yes, those things
or
that-
nakita. Di ba?
Hindi natin alam, kailangan pa natin tanungin.
That's why sa off-court series, we are talking about our experiences. Para
Okay.
naman, baka ma-experience nila, alam na nila kung ano yung gagawin, di ba?
Now, ano ba yung objective, yung goal natin at the end of this episode, Attorney Hill?
Sige.
So,
ano ba yung
we
expectations?
have-
Ano ba yung mangyayari? Sige.
So, first we'll have the flow. So, why consultations go wrong or go right. Then we will share about the framework that before, during, after the meeting, and then next is the war story. So, the common scenarios that we encounter during the consultations that we've had. And then, of course, at the end, we will have the question and answer portion.
Yeah. So,
So-
maganda yan, Atty. Jan. Sige.
Reality check muna tayo, Attorney Hill.
Oh, sige. Alala
this
mo
is
ba yung law school mo?
law school versus the real consultations. Actually, we never, hindi naman sa never, but siguro I didn't have the experience na, guide how to conduct consultation.
Yung nag-aaral ako, matagal-tagal na yan, Atty. Jan, pero hindi ko maalala kung may session or may class ba kami na nag-talk about consultation. Wala.
That's why we have this episode, no? So, kasi most of the time, hindi siya masyadong nati-train or nati-teach during law school.
Yeah.
So, anyway, law school is somehow relevant or like related to consultation. This is what happens kasi. In law school examinations, during the exam,
sige.
madaming issues, the facts, the question,
Yeah.
the number has a lot of it tackles
Minsan,
a few
maraming issue.
legal issues. But we tend to, sometimes, law students tend to fail to consider the main objective. Ano yung tanong? That's why students really have that issue, problem or challenge in issue spotting. Ganun din yon sa consultations, di ba, Attorney Hill?
Yeah. So, tama yan. So, before we proceed, Atty. Jan, let's talk about yung mga misconceptions.
Ano ba yung mga
misconceptions,
common
di ba?
misconceptions?
Yan, naalala ko, Atty. Jan, nung bago pa ako, I was really thinking na yung client ko, they're all telling everything. Di ba? So I believe yung may nabasa akong pleading na para bang gospel truth na, di ba? Pero reality pala, hindi pala. Meron palang
yun.
mga
So,
exaggerated, meron yung mga pinili lang nila
sometimes
yung facts.
sinifilter lang, no, ng client.
Yeah. So, hindi pwede talaga na hindi tayo marunong magtanong. So, ang common misconception is that yung client is
Sinasabi lahat.
telling the truth.
They're
sinasabi
telling
lahat.
the entire
Yeah.
truth. And then,
Ano
also,
pa? Ano pang
we have this,
misconception?
the legal issue is, parang, the legal issue is obvious right away. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina ba na we tend to see a lot of issues, pero akala mo yun na yung issue na.
Naalala ko sa school pa,
Oh.
may question. Mas madali kasi yung question andyan na. Pero pag tinitingnan natin sa
Sa facts.
yung consultation, wala yan eh.
Wala.
Dapat alam
Ang hirap.
natin magtanong.
Di ba? Ang hirap, di ba? Kasi minsan, yung timelines na binibigay ng
Ng
client,
client.
is
Iba-iba pa.
iba-iba pa.
Diba?
Iba siya, hindi siya match sa
Mga
documents at hand.
So, we'll talk
So,
more about that.
we'll talk
So,
more
the
about-
misconception is yung legal issue is obvious.
Ito pa.
Hindi naman obvious lahat.
The next one, I am
Sige, sige.
partly a victim of it.
Okay. Sige, sige,
Naranasan ko din yan because it is one of my misconception that a good lawyer answer instantly. So, yung dapat yung magaling na abogado or magandang abogado sumasagot agad pero hindi pala yan ganun.
Na-experience mo din yan?
Yeah,
Oh,
because
akala ko.
I tend to please
hindi ko alam
clients,
kung
eh.
ako lang ba. Pero dati, nung bago pa ako attorney dyan, is that kailangan ko talagang mag-respond agad-agad, no? Ayoko pang makita na
Disappointed
Yeah,
client?
parang pag hindi ako makapagsagot immediately, feeling ko, uy, baka nag-doubt na yung client sa akin.
Parang
Di ba?
sabi,
So,
hindi siguro ito
yun,
marunong ba?
Hindi
Ganon.
naman kailangan na immediately mag-respond ka. There are many techniques, no, kung paano mag-handle. And then we'll be talking about that
And then
later.
the next misconception,
sige. Ano pa
siguro
yan?
lastly, is that winning the client is equals to taking the case.
So para bang i-place mo yung client, o tanggapin mo na agad-agad yung case. Hindi naman ganyan.
Hindi naman ganun. That's why we have. So we will be talking about that. What are
In
the
details,
three or
details.
the jobs
Oh,
of
later.
consultation
Later
that we
we'll be
need
talking
here?
about that.
So-
So, by the way, yung misconception na pinagsasabi natin is that, ano yan, hindi ito hard and fast rule. Pwede namang marami pa. We just did not include it.
So we are just talking about the
Some.
some of the misconceptions that we have encountered or experienced
Oh.
in our practice.
Sige. So, sa reality pala ito ni Jan, iba-iba, di ba? Yung timeline, yung documents.
Iba, meron. Kasi sometimes the client forgets about, nami-mix up niya yung timeline and then when you check the documents, iba pala.
Di ba? Ang hirap niyan kasi there are cases na material talaga yung mga timeline, yung mga documents.
And then, ito yun eh, the safest answer is often, if not always, I need to review first. So, sometimes kasi ako at first, I was like, parang nag-doubt ako or parang I have this, na I need to answer. Parang nahihiya ako ba magsabi na I need to review first kasi that was my misconception.
Yeah, hindi tama talaga. No? So, by the way, Attorney Jan, yung consultation, dapat nating i-understand na hindi lang ito nag-usap kayo ng client,
It's
hindi
not
lang
just
ito
about
kung marunong ka sa case, hindi lang ito na ganyan na lang yung considerations. But we have to consider, Attorney Jan, na yung consultation, tatlong phases yan that you have to consider.
Yes.
You have to...
Three jobs. We have listening. First, you
Yes,
have to listen to
yes.
the clients. And then,
Listening. So, importante yan, di ba?
yes. And then we screen
Second,
the
you screen.
risk.
Ano
Risk
yung screen dapat?
Yung mga risk.
Okay.
For
And
example,
next is
hindi lang siya risk. Okay. And then the next one is filter. We have
i-filter natin.
okay, we have
Listening, tama yan.
risk screening and
Yes.
then filter.
Okay.
So, let's discuss about listening, attorney.
Sige,
Ano yung,
listening. Ano ba yung listening?
First step of listening. So first is that before we go into the consultation room, we have to first clarify the issue, what are the objectives, what are the list of documents, and what are the missing items, missing links.
Kasi yung client, pag pumupunta, especially yung mga walk-in, minsan, kulang-kulang yung mga documents nila. Minsan din, Attorney Jan, pumupunta yung mga clients, ang daming documents. Kahit, naalala ko pa, mga
Yes.
5 photocopy in 1 document. Same folder, same folder na yan.
We had that.
Yeah. So,
Ang daming folder,
so
tapos
dapat
same lang pala.
tayo, part of what we're doing is, makinig tayo sa story nila, magtanong tayo sa story. So, pag nagtanong tayo, it does not mean na hindi tayo nakikinig. Di ba? Nagtatanong tayo para mas pwede natin pakinggan in details yung mga pinagsasabi nila. And we'll talk more about that later.
Next is that we screen the risk, like the adverse facts. Ano ba yung mga opposing na facts na pwede nating ma-encounter, deadlines or prescriptions, waiver, latches, ganon.
Oh, yung mga ganyan, no?
And
So,
then-
we have to check, Attorney Jan, kung ano yung case. Ano ba yung kasamang risk?
Yes. What
Naalala
risk
ko
comes
pa-
with the case?
Naalala ko pa, Attorney Jan, na may big time na client, tumawag sa akin kung pwede ba ako makapag-handle ng case nila.
Ano yung response mo, Attorney
So,
Hill?
actually, when we handle cases like this, kung may magtatanong sa atin, iniisip din natin, ano ba yung risk? Ano ba yung risk? So, ang nangyayari is that, malaki kasi yung case, parang controversial yung case, so, I decided not to accept the case. I decided to refer the case. Actually, that's one of the decisions that we can make later. We'll discuss that. So, ang nangyari is, nung nirefer ko yung case, tinawagan ko yung lawyer, isang lawyer, tanong sa lawyer sa akin,
Anong tanong?
Attorney Hill, may budget ba yung client for protection?
Security.
Yeah,
Yes.
security and
Kasi
protection.
it's not just the client is at risk eh.
Ah.
We are also at
Oh,
risk.
so
Kasi
dapat
marami tayong naririnig na balita.
Daming mga lawyer na pinapatay.
Judges or even
mga-
lawyers.
Di ba? So, ang hirap yan.
So, paano pa tayo makaka-give ng good service kung wala na tayo sa mundo?
Oh, so,
Paano
kailangan
na?
talaga, we have to consider. When I was new Attorney Jan, I did not think about those risks. No? I did not think about those risks. Pero ang iniisip natin, Attorney Jan, is that yung may family tayo eh.
Yes.
Siguro okay lang sa atin na
Pag tayo lang,
tayo
ourselves.
lang. Yeah.
But
Pero-
what about our parents or husband
Yeah,
and
so
wife,
we have-
kids?
We have to consider that. So, tingnan natin, hindi lang yung risk sa case, winning or losing ba, pati na din sa
Risk sa
safety
sarili
natin.
natin.
At saka safety din ng mga staff natin.
The
Imagine,
office. Yeah.
imagine Attorney Jan, we have a case, a checkmate case. 100 families kaya yun.
And then when I walk to the courtroom, 1 versus 100.
Yeah, so ang hirap yan. Tingnan talaga natin yung mga risk. So ano pa? Yung
and then
filter.
next is a filter. So we filter. Is it this is where we ask. Is it
Yeah,
worth
ano ba yan?
pursuing? Fit ba yung client sa atin? Ano ba, pinagtagpo pero hindi tinadhana? May mga ganun na client. Pinagtagpo lang pero hindi
Hindi
tinadhana.
tinadhana.
Ganon.
Diba? So, ano ba yung tinitingnan natin? Nag-filter tayo kung fit ba tayo, no?
Sa client.
Sa client.
If we can serve them better, we can give the best ability that we have sa kanila, sa case nila.
Yeah,
So,
we will
yun
be
yung
talking more
importante.
about that, no?
And
In
then-
detail sa tatlong
Then also, we
jobs.
have to ask Attorney Hill if this is the right next step. So, pag meron na tayong next step, magtatanong tayo, tama ba tong next step na to?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, again, yung consultation is not just listening to the client and giving advice. It's more of listening to the client and then assessing the risk
And then,
filtering.
we filter.
No,
Yun.
filter mo kasi may mga consultation na mag-turn into case.
Okay.
May consultation lang hanggang
Consultation lang.
diba?
Parang ganun lang, pinagtagpo, pero hindi tinadhana.
Parang ang lakas
May
ng
hugot,
love life
ah.
mo, Attorney Jan.
Hindi naman masyado.
Bakit? Parang iniwan
Hindi tayo iniwan. Walang mangiiwan sa pamilyang ito. Next topic tayo, wag tayo dyan. So let's go to what are the framework of consultation. Dito na tayo sa myth
Oh,
of our
yan.
topic. So
Sige,
ano ba
sige.
yung mga ginagawa natin? What are the
Steps,
Today,
no, framework. Ano ba
we
yung
will give
kailangan natin?
our own framework, no?
Oh.
Pero they can also, our panieros and panieras who are also watching us, they can also create their own framework. So, for this episode, we have 4 frameworks.
Oh, ito yung
First
ginagamit
one,
natin sa office,
Yes.
no? And you can have your own. Ang dami namang,
available.
available, no? Ito lang,
Everything
sinishare
is
namin
accessible, na?
yung ginagawa namin sa office. In the hope na pwede naman din ikopya. Di ba? Hindi naman tayo magre-reklamo.
And then also to help also our new lawyers who are starting also their legal practice, start
pahirap
to
pa
appear
yan
in
eh.
court.
Naalala ko
So-
dati, Attorney Jan, na nagbibigay ko ng advice. Ang problema, mali yung advice ko nabigay ko.
Ano naman
Diba?
yung ginawa mo?
I will be talking more about
Okay.
that pag nasa shot na sa topic natin. Okay, di ba?
So let's start
4
first with
framework.
the first
First
one.
is prepare.
Okay.
Second
Prepare.
is
We handle. How do we handle?
yeah.
And then third is
Guide natin yung
Guide.
client. Guide
And
natin yung
then-
client. And then
last part or for us is to decide.
Decide.
Yes,
Pag gusto
is
ng
it a
client
yes?
na convert into case na.
Or is it a no?
So, hindi pwede lahat tatanggapin.
So we first
Let's talk about preparation.
Preparation.
Attorney Jan. Ano ba yung kailangan
So-
i-prepare pag nag-consult?
alam mo, Attorney Hill,
Sige.
we are, alam mo, alam natin. So,
Alam
to
natin.
recall, we have Code of Professional Responsibility and
Oy.
Accountability. So, we are
Oh.
bound by that. So, that's why we
Yung
have to,
First, you have to be ethical.
yes. So,
Kailangan
that's why,
talagang, actually, Attorney Jan, nung nag-aaral ako at naalala ko yung bar exam,
oh,
sabi nga
Oh,
nila,
bar
madali
exam.
lang yung ethics. Yes, madali lang yung ethics.
madali yung ethics sa exam.
Sa exam. Pero sa practice,
How is it in practice now?
bay, grabe. Matindi talaga yung ethics. May mga lawyer na, no, hindi natin alam kung ano talaga yung nangyayari, pero ma-observe natin na, para bang, for example, ako, Attorney Jan,
Oh.
pinapractice ko talaga pag may client na pumupunta sa akin at saka may lawyer na sila, tinatawagan ko yung lawyer na lawyer nila
Kasi it's
bago ko
courtesy.
tanggapin.
Oo,
Kasi
courtesy.
courtesy ba? So, hindi naman tama na tatanggapin agad.
Tsaka lang tatawag, no?
Oo, tsaka lang tatawag. Tatawag muna tayo kung tama ba, kung okay lang ba sa kanila na i-accept yung
Okay, that's
yung-
why in relation to that, we
Importante
have to
talaga yung
check
ethics.
yung conflict, 'di ba?
Yeah,
Kasi
so-
affected yung ethics natin.
So, again, yung preparation, dapat prepare muna tayo sa self natin na
Ethics,
yung
our
ethics.
ethics, yes.
Importante yan, di ba?
Is there conflict of interest?
Kasama din yan.
Ayan.
Yung conflict of interest. Ano pa?
Fee policy kasi minsan akala ng client free. Though we can render, we are required to render pro bono legal services, but we have a different program.
Oh, mag-hi pala tayo ni Toby.
Ala, hi, Toby!
Ito si Toby parang
It's very active.
I think in case really help her, no? Thank you sa mga mo Toby, no?
Sa feedbacks.
Yeah. So, by the way, yung sabi nga ni Toby dito, may mga impromptu na mga consultation. Yan.
Meron, yan yung very challenging.
Parati yan, from time to time, nag-iinuman, may party.
I remember the first consultation that I had was with a relative of mine. Hindi
Yeah.
ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Parang, at first, alam ko na may na-determine akong isang issue. And
Yeah.
then, along the way, as the relative keeps talking, ang daming legal issue. Anong gagawin? Parang,
Parang
hindi
sinagot
ko
mo
alam.
lahat, hindi naman. Sinagot mo lahat ng issue.
Sinagot ko lahat.
Pero hindi natin alam kung ano yung goal
Kung ano
pala
yung
niya,
goal
diba?
niya. So, ang dami ko ng advice na
Yeah.
nabigay, pero hindi pala yun yung gusto niyang
Core
gawin.
talaga.
Yes.
So, balik tayo sa preparation. No?
Okay.
Kailangan natin mag-prepare ng check natin kung may conflict of
Yes.
interest.
Second
Importante
is
yan.
the fee policy.
Yeah, yung
Dapat
fee
alam ni
policy
client.
kasi yung sabi, may mga impromptu. Pag hindi kasi tayo sa amin ha. Kasi experience ko dati, Attorney Jan, ang nangyari is may nag-consult sa akin.
And then?
Minsan nag-consult madali lang, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Minsan mahihiya tayong magsingil eh. So, at that time, ang ginawa ko free lang. Free lang. Consultation. Anyway, madali lang yung case niya. Yung ganyan ba?
So, anong
Ang
nangyari?
nangyari later, Attorney Jan, is that yung nag-consult sa akin, nag-engage yung ibang lawyer.
So, wala na.
So,
Free na yun.
Free sa akin, pero doon napunta sa ibang, ano ba yung problema, Attorney Hill?
What happened?
Wala namang problema.
There's no problem, no? Pag
Initially,
pumunta sila
wala.
sa
Ang nangyari
ibang
is that,
lawyer.
yung kalaban niya pumunta sa akin for consultation.
Oh, it's conflict of interest
Yes. So, ang nangyari, conflict of interest ako. Alam naman natin sa ethics natin, Attorney Jan, na pag conflict of interest, generally, bawal talaga.
now. Bawal siya. And the
Oo.
exception is,
Pag exception, hingi ka ng
inform
consent,
natin.
no? Consent,
Consent and
dapat
inform.
ka mag-inform sa both parties. So, ang nangyayari, pag both parties, ang hirap na yan. So, ang ending, you are actually losing on the opportunity to earn.
The income
Yes,
opportunity.
actually, profession natin, hindi naman money-making, pero kailangan din natin kumain
Kailangan kumain, yung bills natin, yung
Diba, may
papasweldo
staff natin.
natin.
Yung sa atin, profession. Pero yung staff natin, hindi naman profession, di ba?
Trabaho na sila, may
Kailangan nila
pinapakain, may sinusupport
diba?
din. So,
So,
that's why it's,
Kailangan talaga
okay.
natin dyan na maghingi tayo ng...
We have the policy for
Yes.
fees, consultation
Yeah,
fees,
yeah, yeah.
legal charges, ganon.
So, isa pa attorney dyan, sa preparation, dapat,
The most important one is
yeah,
this
privacy.
private setting. Before
Yeah.
consultation, dapat merong private na
Space.
space or setting. Kasi the informations that the clients give to us are
Oh,
confidential.
yan.
And then we have this lawyer-client relationship or privilege na hindi siya pwedeng malaman ng
Kahit sino-sino lang. Di ba?
Ayun.
Di, minsan, pag nasa office, pag maliit yung office mo, mahirap din attorney dyan ha, kasi
Marinig.
nag-usap ka sa client, tapos may darating na ibang client, there's the chance na marinig ba?
Marinig, yes.
So, dapat talaga, you must find a way
We
na
schedule.
private yung, kaya kailangan yung schedule.
Tapos may app din.
No? By the way, attorney Jan, before we proceed to, so, prepare, dapat check mo yung conflict of interest.
Conflict of interest,
Maghingi ka ng
Policies of
payment,
fee, yes.
at saka yung privacy.
private setting.
Di
Yun.
ba? So before we proceed with the handle, guide, and decide, Attorney Jan, baka I think it's timely now we talk about the sponsor of this off-court series.
In case.
Kasi kailangan din ng So, yung in case, Attorney Jan, is ano yan?
At first, it is a case management system. So, we built it
Yeah.
for our
Practice?
pañeros and pañeras there. So, and then now we have a new development.
So later na yan. Di ba? So, by the way, yung in case, it's a case management system.
Manood kayo para
Yeah.
malaman nyo kung ano yung development.
Built by lawyers and for lawyers talaga. In fact, we're encouraging yung users natin na magbigay ng feedback.
Para
Ma-improve natin
ma-refine,
yung app.
ma-improve, kung anong gusto nilang improvement. And then alam din natin kung paano natin i-cater to make that legal services accessible.
Yeah. So,
Ayun.
Attorney Jan? Tuloy na tayo. So, that's in case, ha? So,
Okay, we're just on the first part of the framework, Attorney Hill. Ang dami natin pinag-usapan, ha?
Yeah. So, punta tayo sa handle. Paano natin i-handle yung case?
Paano ba yung na-handle yung consultation?
Yeah.
First, hindi naman pwedeng tanong agad. So, we have to let our clients speak first. So, ayun.
So, ano natin tandaan natin na, again, going back sa tatlong job ng consultation, listening.
Listen.
So,
And then?
makinig tayo. Ang kaso lang sa consultation, Attorney Jan, ang problema minsan, yung client ang daming nananarrate.
There are challenges.
Yeah.
Dami-dami.
So, pag ganyan yung mangyari na nagnanarrate na yung client, di naman pwede. Ubus yung 2 oras mo. pag
Ubus yung
ganyan.
oras mo. Meron ka pang ibang consultation or ibang gagawin,
Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
May mga deadlines pa tayo.
So, you have to consider na i-guide mo yung client kung paano siya mag-narrate ng story niya.
Okay, that's why we let them speak first and from there, we ask questions.
Yeah, so dapat tandaan natin, hindi pwede na yung client, they can freely speak na kahit kung ano na lang gusto nila.
So,
Kasi yung client attorney,
Maraming gusto.
yeah, maraming gusto.
Maraming gusto.
And always remember na when we are doing the consultation, nagpo-probe tayo.
Yes.
So
we do that.
nagpo-probe tayo para mahanap natin kung ano talaga yung issue ng case.
That's why, dyan papasok yung
Yeah, yeah.
ina-narrow natin
Yeah.
yung
So,
issue.
dapat ina-narrow natin yung issue. Paano ba natin ina-narrow yung issue, Attorney Jan?
Magtatanong
Magtatanong tayo.
Itatanong natin yung mga problema, the timelines, the documents that the client have.
So, naalala ko, Attorney Jan, yung my client pumupunta. Example lang example. Yung client pumupunta sa atin, dala-dala yung papel nila.
Ano mga papel
Kasi
na yun?
may gusto silang papaalisin sa bahay nila.
Is it ejectment?
Yes,
Ganon.
parang
Ganon.
ejectment. If you hear it clearly, I don't know if you can remember the client, if you, parang ejectment agad-agad.
Okay. Ganon.
Di ba? Kasi nakatira sa bahay. Pag gustong paalisin, ayaw naman umalis nung nakatira. Di ba? Ejectment na yan
Apply natin yung misconception. Alam mo na agad yung issue.
Oo, di ba? Issue. Pero while I was talking to the client, Attorney Jan, sabi ko, Ma'am, pinatawag na ba muna ba sa barangay?
Oh.
Sabi niya, hindi pa,
Hindi pa.
Attorney. Nagkausap na ba kayo, Attorney? Oo, sabi niya, Attorney, aalis siya, pero hindi naman siya umalis, Attorney. So, did you tell him na dapat siyang aalis by this time? Hindi
Hindi.
pa, attorney. Ma'am, baka i-try mo munang
Kasi,
kausapin mo si X, or ipatawag mo sa barangay, kausapin mo na pwede bang alis ka hanggang this time, let's say April 30 na lang. So actually, attorney Jan, kinausap niya yung nag-occupy ng space niya.
oh,
And then ang nangyari, voluntarily naman, attorney Jan,
Nag-exit.
nag-exit.
so yan, dyan yung papasok na not all consultation turns into a case.
Yes. So, dapat talaga, attorney Jan, tingnan natin kung ano ba yung
Issue.
gustong
Yeah.
mangyari ng client.
The objective of the
Yes.
client. We narrow the issue. Ano yung
Yeah.
issue niya?
Yes.
Ang gusto niya.
Ano yung gusto niya? Yung supposing nagsasucceed yung case, ano ba yung mangyayari? So, in that case, although ultimately, ang gusto lang pala niya is
Umalis yung,
umalis.
yung
Oh,
nakatira
diba?
doon.
Yes. So, maraming way. Kumbaga, there are many ways to kill a cat. Cat
Of
ba yun or
course.
chicken? Di ba? So, ang nangyayari is, hindi naman cat, chicken yun. Di ba? So,
Sino nagsabi ng...
ang nangyayari pala is, pwede mo palang kausapin.
Yes.
Hindi case agad.
Hindi. Off court siya, off court.
Oh, yan.
Ganun.
Off court.
Off court, hindi
settlement,
in
no?
court.
Oh, yun.
Ayun. And then we also have this, Attorney Hill, when we handle, we have to know the timelines. Kasi meron mga, there are those cases that have deadlines or like parang reglementary period.
No, for example, ikaw yung nagpa-file ng answer.
Answer, yeah. We
Di ba?
have,
You have to understand yung
Actually,
deadline dyan.
we had that early this year kasi parang nag-withdraw yung previous na counsel and then the next step that the client had to do was to file an answer kasi siya yung defendant eh. So we have to do it fast para hindi tayo maabutan ng reglementary
Actually,
period.
naalala ko din, Attorney Jan, napanalo ko nga yung case. Kasi
Well,
yung case, summary. Ejectment, Attorney Jan.
So, ano ba yung nangyari?
Ang dating rules, Attorney Jan, is 10 days dapat makasagot si defendant.
Ngayon,
Akalain mo naman 10 days.
10 days.
So, yung 10 days, it's a very short period of time. And then you have to consider, Attorney Jan, na yung client, hindi naman nila alam na 10 days, absolute na yan.
Hindi sila
So, may nangyari sa amin, Attorney Jan, wala ka pa noon. Ang nangyari is that pumupunta yung client sa office on the 9th day.
On the 9th day?
Yes, on the
Anong
9th day.
ginawa mo?
Imagine.
Para mas save
So,
yung 10th day.
Alam naman natin yung summary procedure like ejectment, hindi pwedeng mag-motion for extension to file
Wala,
answer.
bawal yun eh.
Oo, bawal yun
prohibited
eh.
plea.
So, ang nangyari, on the 9th day, dapat agad gagawa ka. So, kailangan
Nakatulog ka ba?
timeline, di ba?
Nakatulog ka ba?
Kaya yung case namin, napanalo namin, kasi I don't know what happened, pero yung answer sa ibang case nito, yung napanalo namin, yung answer ng client is lumampas sa deadline na 10 days. So, again, summary
That's why
procedure.
timeline is very
Yes,
important.
very important.
And we have to ask that during the consultation.
Kasi
in
minsan
handling.
makalimutan natin.
And also the series of events material to the the facts or the issue na parang kinukonsulta ng client.
By the way, Attorney Jan, by the way, Attorney Jan, is that may mga for example, kulang talaga yung time mo na mag-file ng answer. So, ang ginagawa ko doon,
ano bang ginagawa? Sige, sabihin
dapat talaga alam mo yung rules. Di ba? May rules naman tayo na what is not prohibited is deemed allowed, no? May mga ganyan, no?
So, pag hindi prohibited ng rules or law,
you can file it naman.
Okay, it's
Suppose,
deemed allowed.
Nag-file ka ng answer. Pag-file mo ng answer, may kailangan kang idagdag, mag-file ka ulit kung ano yung kailangan
pwede
mong
naman.
idagdag, di ba?
As long
That's why
as
you
it's
have to know.
not prohibited
Yes,
by
what
the
is
rule.
not prohibited is deemed allowed naman.
Now, anyway, how about attorney
Yung
the
timeline, may experience ka sa timeline?
series of events? Meron, somehow, iba yung timeline version ni client, tapos iba yung timeline version ng nasa document.
Yeah, so kailangan talaga, Attorney Jan, kaya yun yung sabi natin kanina, Attorney Jan, na hindi lang hindi lahat ng sinabi ng client, yun na yung katotohanan.
That's one of the misconceptions.
Yeah. So, hindi pwedeng pag sinabi ng client, agad-agad, naniniwala tayo. Kasi, na-experience ko dati, I was observing a consultation with a senior lawyer. Ang nangyayari is, nagbibigay siya ng advice kahit wala yung papers.
Paano yun?
Wala.
It's an incomplete.
He just accepted yung pinagsasabi ng client. Kaya ang nangyari sa akin, na-observe ko yun dati na hindi naman pwede. Kasi there are times na yung sinasabi ng client, hindi nagmamatch sa document.
Paano pag yung document na yun lumabas during the trial?
Yeah. So, ang ginagawa natin, Attorney Jan, dinidelay natin. In fact, pag...
We ask for time na nag-a-ask tayo ng mga additional documents.
Yes. So, kaya importante, mas maganda na yung client, pag nagko-consult yung client, dapat nakaschedule.
Yes.
At saka may briefer sila na dapat sinasabi nila na, ganito yung concern ko, what are the documents that I have to bring? Kasi pag nagpupunta, walang documents,
mahirap
I
magbigay.
try to really avoid na magbibigay ng advice pag if it is something that would involve documents ba. Kasi ang hirap talaga.
Mahirap pag-make ng conclusions. I have had that experience
Na
at
ano?
first.
Yeah.
I think it's my first month in the office na may pumuntang client.
Okay, anong nangyari,
Tapos
Attorney
hindi
Jan?
ko alam na ang consultation na pala yun. Ang dami, wala siyang dalang papel.
Oo.
Nag-inquire, nag-narrate, tapos ang ginawa ko, kasi may
Ano
nakita
nangyari?
akong legal issue, nag-give ako ng legal advice. And I wouldn't know if that is right or wrong kasi wala siyang dalang papel. Hindi ko ma-confirm, tapos nag-give na pala ako ng
advice?
legal advice.
So, anyway.
And I didn't even charge.
Ayun. ang worst doon pa. Baka nasa ibang client doon napunta. Hindi ka na makapag-represent sa
Hindi mo na ma-handle
adverse party.
yung adverse
Di ba?
And what
mahirap
about
yan.
the uncomfortable truths that the client tends to avoid?
Yan. We'll be talking about that, no? Sa guide yan, Attorney Jan.
Okay. So
Or,
now,
di ba?
we go to the guide
So,
na.
Hindi mo na.
Okay.
Yung dapat talaga, we have to know every facts.
Yes.
Kasi
So we
pag
ask
hindi
questions.
pwede. In fact, consistent yan sa ethics natin, Attorney Jan. Now, we cannot file any case kung, especially pag civil case, di ba? For example, civil case, hindi tayo pwede mag-file, Attorney Jan, na hindi tayo convince a case.
We cannot
Diba?
file a case
Di ba nga,
for 1
kulang-kulang
year.
yung
At least,
evidence,
ganun.
di ba?
Hindi
In
pwedeng
fact,
ganun.
if we have to read yung verification natin, Attorney Jan, nakasulat talaga dyan na dapat supported yung
By
case na
evidence.
pinafile natin ng evidence. Hindi gawa-gawa lang.
Pag baseless lang, patay tayo dyan.
Oh,
Yung
so,
ethics
in
na.
fact, na-experience ko, Attorney Jan, dati, many years ago, ang tanda ko na, no? Na-experience ko
Well.
dati, Attorney Jan, na
May experience mo.
namatay yung lawyer.
The previous handling counsel, ganun.
Oo,
Okay.
namatay. So, nung namatay na yung lawyer, siyempre, yung client naghanap ng ibang lawyer. Pumunta sa akin.
Ikaw yung next lawyer.
Oh, tinitingnan ko yung case record. Siyempre, tiningnan ko yung case record, Attorney Jan. I was asking the client, ma'am, paano ba naging lupa mo itong subject ng case?
Meron ba siyang mga evidences on
Tinitingnan
hand?
ko yung evidence, Attorney Jan, hindi ko makonect-connect talaga. Kahit saan ako napunta, Attorney Jan, hindi ko makonect-connect yung evidence niya, Attorney Jan. So, ang nangyayari, Attorney Jan, is sinabihan ko talaga yung client na, ma'am, hindi pwedeng ituloy natin yung case.
So, yan yung mga one of the possibilities that our panyeros and panyeras can do if they encounter the same experience.
So, sabi ko, Attorney Jan, ma'am, pag ituloy natin to, ang likelihood na manalo ka, ma'am, is that maliit. And di pwede, sa office namin, di pwede na ituloy talaga ito.
Kasi it's against our ethics.
Yeah, at saka yun yung tama din. Kasi we're actually just delaying ba?
Oo.
Alam naman natin na pagdating sa dulo, hindi naman tama yung ginagawa.
Baka matalo lang, no?
Kailangan talaga, attorney, na
Fail yung expectation.
ethical tayo.
Yes.
Kailangan talaga ethical tayo. So, yung mga adverse facts, dapat itanong na natin yan.
Even if it made them uncomfortable.
Yeah. So, punta tayo sa
Yung
guide, attorney.
Ano ba yung guide?
Oh, yung guide, attorney, ito yung
Options.
pangatlo, ha? So, ulitin natin, ha? Yung first is prepare.
And
Prepare
then,
natin yung,
preparation before
check natin yung
consultation.
yung conflict of interest.
Oh.
Tsaka
Fee
yung
policy.
mga fee policy natin. Check
Private
natin
setting.
yung mga
Confidentiality.
dapat, so, second is handle.
How do we handle them?
Ah,
So, una, we let them speak and then we
Control
ask
the
questions.
narration.
Yes.
The story dapat di...
We narrow down the issue by controlling.
Yeah. So, tapos, tingnan natin yung timeline, verify natin.
Yes.
Now,
And
punta tayo
then,
sa guide.
Let's go to the guide.
Yeah,
May mga i-guide natin yung client natin. So we tell them what are the options available and then what are the risks that comes with the if ever man na they pursue in filing the cases and if they don't pursue.
So yung ano talaga, attorney Jan, is yung options ng client, dapat we have to lay it down to them. 'Di ba? Kasi minsan yung case yung consultation, yung facts ng case, minsan, attorney Jan, it could actually result to multiple cases.
Madami, yes.
Pwede civil case,
Pwedeng criminal
pwedeng
case,
criminal case,
administrative,
pwedeng admin case.
ayan.
Tsaka
pwede.
hindi naman ibig sabihin na gusto lahat ng client yan. 'Di ba?
Ano lang, kung ano lang yung main objective.
Yeah, so dapat talaga alam natin kung ano yung gusto ng client.
So that's why we give them the options.
Yeah, so
Client, ito yung options na available
Yeah.
sa iyo, admin, criminal, civil. Ano ba yung gusto mo? Ganon.
saan tayo nagsisimula? Kasi every case yan, attorney Jan, magbabayad yung client, baka mapamahalan na, di ba?
Diba? So,
dapat,
tapos hindi pala yung gusto na outcome, di ba?
di ba? So, talaga, we have to give them the options. And then, aside from giving them the options kung ano yung mga cases na pwedeng i-file,
Ano
you also
din
have
yung-
to tell them kung ano yung mga off-court solutions. Di ba? Off-court solutions.
Of-court solutions
Attorney
kasi
Jan.
as we have mentioned earlier, Attorney Hill, hindi lahat ng consultation results to filing of a case.
Oh.
Kasi even us, lawyers, are encouraged to settle the case amicably.
No, so, yun, actually, nagtuturo ako dati, attorney Jan, sa ADR. No?
Alternative Dispute Resolution.
So, sabi ng Supreme Court na yung settlement of cases, yun na yung new wave.
New wave.
Yun,
Ini-encourage
yun na yung
tayo
trend, no?
dun eh. Oo.
Yun na yung trend na dapat talaga ini-encourage. So, dami nga mga provisions ng mga batas natin, ng mga rules natin na in-encourage talaga yung
Amicable
settlement.
settlement.
In fact, yung
The off-court solutions.
Oh, yan, mga off-court solutions, di ba? Meron din yung mga small claims.
Meron
di
din
ba?
naman ganun. Hindi naman lahat pwedeng
So,
criminal
kaya
case. Ganun.
ibigay natin yung options nila na hindi lang filing of cases.
Yes, kasi it's to their advantage then of our clients
Ah.
na makakatipid sila and then to advantage for then sa court kasi
May-
it's a lesser docket eh.
May joke akong naalala, Attorney Jan, pero ito joke lang ha, guys. Joke ito, hindi ito tama. No?
Upo tayong
No?
baka mahulog ako sa upuan ko.
Oh, hindi naman, baka corny nga eh. Alam mo
Anong
yung
joke?
mga joke natin, mga corny. So,
Ba't sinabi mo ng joke?
naalala ko, attorney, sabi ng may estudyante daw, yung papa niya abogado.
Oh,
Yung anak niya, yung papa niya, mga 20 years na ata yung abogado.
okay.
Then, yung anak, kakapasa.
Bagong pasa.
Oh, bagong pasa. Bagong
Yeah.
pasa. Ang nangyari, attorney Jan, so, syempre, matagal. Gusto din ng papa na mag-appear yung anak niya sa case. Pagpunta. Pagbalik ng, syempre, nag-appear na yung
Yung anak sa
yung
court.
anak sa court. Pagbalik, anong nangyari, attorney Jan? Kinumusta ng papa?
Anong nangyari?
Anak,
anong nangyari?
Kumusta na yung case mo? Siya pa, tapos na yung case, nadi-dismiss na. Bakit? I move pa sa
Dismiss siya.
speedy disposition of di ba, yung resolution ng case. Sabi ng anak ng papa, anak, hindi mo ba alam na yung kaso na yun ang nagpapatapos sa iyo ng pag-aaral?
Appearance fee pala yung binayad.
Di ba? So,
Sa tuition.
so, hindi pwede
No, we
attorney
cannot
Jan,
do
na
that.
itagal natin yung case kasi kailangan natin ng magbayad ng tuition.
Violation of
Oo,
our ethics,
violation of
Attorney Hill.
ethics yan.
So-
Hindi pwede, Attorney Jan, na i-delay natin yung case kasi nagbabayad na ng sasakyan. Oh, hindi pwede, Attorney Jan.
Anyway,
Uy,
we have this mantra, God will provide.
oh, God
darating
will
at
provide
darating yung
yan.
client.
So, maganda talaga.
Hindi natin pwedeng
So, joke lang
i-delay.
yan ha. Hindi pwede natin i-delay yung case kasi may babayaran
Joke
tayo.
pala yun.
Oh, hindi pwede, Attorney ha.
Okay, now, ayun, we have the no guarantee. Hindi
Oh,
pwedeng no
ano ba
sure
yan, no
win.
guarantee? Ano ba yan?
Hindi lahat sure win. Ganon. Hindi tayo pwedeng mabigay na, oh, ginto, sure win tayo. Ganon. Hindi pwede.
So, actually, Attorney Jan, yung gusto kong pag-usapan sa no guarantee.
Ano ba?
At the end of the day, hindi naman tayo yung judge eh.
Hindi tayo magde-decide.
Hindi tayo judger. Kumbaga.
Ako,
Pero,
judger ako eh.
Judger ka?
Hindi, joke lang yun.
Hindi, judger ka talaga. Alam ko.
Uy!
Oh, judger ka, sabi mo.
Next, hindi
Itong
tayo
anak
judger.
ko, ang gwapo-gwapo niya. Yung asawa ko din, judger. Sabi niya, gwapo daw ako eh.
No comment. Next topic.
Pero Attorney Jan, hindi pwedeng ano tayo na sure ito, 100%
Sure win,
manalo.
no? Sure
Ay,
lose.
hindi.
Sure win, sure lose.
Kasi alam naman natin na ang daming mangyari sa court.
Ang daming pwedeng mangyari sa court.
Yes.
Hindi mo rin pwedeng i-predict kung ano yung mga testimony na ibibigay ni client during the
Yes.
trial.
Kahit alam natin kung ano talaga, pero doon sa court, pwedeng mag-play yung emotions.
Ang
Alam
daming
na alam
umiiyak
kasi
doon.
totoo yung nangyayari, pero pag nag-testify na in court,
Nakalimutan, parang nataranta.
kinakabahan,
Yun.
nataranta. So, yan, mahirap talaga.
Hindi na alam yung
So,
sasabihin,
wala
biglang
talagang
sagot agad.
assurance kung ano. Kaya, dapat na lang mag-prepare tayo. Di ba? So, yung guarantee attorney dyan, hindi pwede yan.
Hindi.
Ang dapat, ang experience natin sa, sa consultation attorney dyan is that we often say, ma'am, before tayo dig deeper sa case mo, dapat mong tandaan, ma'am, na we're not bearer of good news.
Hindi.
Hindi good news lahat yung dinadala namin.
Sa ating practice dito sa office,
Yes. Alam-
we are not bearer of
Alam mo
good
naman
news.
natin ni Jan na may mga client na pumupunta for consultation pero actually hindi consultation yung hanap nila.
Gusto na manalo talaga.
Gusto nila yung validation.
Sometimes they came here just for validation.
Oo,
Wala silang ibang mapagsabihan.
Lalo na ngayon, Attorney Jan, ang daming magagaling. Andiyan si ChatGPT. Di ba?
Sabi ni ChatGPT, ganito, hindi yan ganyan, attorney.
Attorney, nagbasa ako. Ma'am, saan?
Nagbasa, saan mo binasa?
Nag-ChatGPT ako, Attorney.
Patay.
Sabi ganito. Hindi naman. Di ba? Meron namang mga pagkakaiba sa actual.
Kasi alam mo naman, Attorney Hill, yung natin, yung sa practice natin, the output of ChatGPT depends on how we tell
Kung gusto
the
natin si
machine.
ChatGPT na pabor sa atin, pwede.
Pabor talaga yun.
Oo. In fact, magandang session nga yan kung paano gagamitin yung
We will have, yes,
No, by the way,
another session.
Yeah, Attorney, dyan, in fact, may bagong resolution yung Supreme Court na yung involving AI, use of AI, di ba?
Ayun, pag-uusapan natin yan sa
we'll be
next
talking
episode.
about that.
So,
Kasi, nasa tech tayo, Attorney, dyan, di ba? Sponsored by InCase, eh.
kailangan
InCase
natin
is a tech
i-utilize
company.
yung
Yeah,
tech.
we'll be talking more about how to use AI. Kasi, kung baga, paano tayo nagbibigay ng input for ChatGPT para maganda
Because
yung
it will affect our outputs.
Yes.
So, it will also help us.
Again, Attorney dyan, hindi tayo bearer of good news.
So, sinasabi natin,
Dapat-
including the bad news.
The bad news. Kung baga, pag si client pumupunta sa atin, dapat nating ibigay sa kanila yung the good, the bad, and the ugly. Hindi pwedeng the
good lang lahat.
Kasi baka hindi tayo engage ni ma'am. Pag sinasabi natin, ma'am, yung kaso mo, ganito, mahina. Hindi tayo engage.
Tapos pala, in the middle of the, when you accepted it because you only said the bad, in the middle of the engagement, parang,
Nagagalit
Down.
din si client.
Nagalit si
Attorney,
client.
ba't ganito, ba't ganyan? No, di ba? So, dapat talaga, Attorney dyan, na transparent tayo sa
yes,
client.
so inform them of the good, the bad, and the ugly. Para pag nangyari man yung the good, the bad, and the ugly,
Oh, yeah.
hindi sila, masusurprise.
So, actually, Attorney dyan, paano mo ba sila, kasi pag sinabi mo agad-agad sinabi mo agad-agad yung negative or yung bad or ugly, parang yung facial expression, Attorney Jan, parang mag-iba.
Paano ba natin yun hinahandle, Attorney Hill?
So, sa office natin, Attorney Jan, sa simula pa lang, sinasabi natin sa client talaga na, Ma'am,
Ito yan.
we are not the bearer of good news. In fact, ma'am, during our conversation, sa consultation na ito, ma'am, you might feel na
Minsan.
parang we're serving the opposing party.
Magkalaban tayo, ma'am.
Actually, yun yung tamang mindset na when we ask questions, we ask the hard questions.
Yes, we ask them the
questions.
hard questions. Even the questions that they are very uncomfortable to answer.
Minsan, na-experience natin, Attorney Jan, na parang na-hurt yung client sa tanong natin.
Umiyak yung...
Na-hurt yung client sa pinagsasabi natin, Attorney Jan, na, Ma'am, to be honest, Ma'am, yung parang kasalanan mo din yung ginagawa, Ma'am. Di ba? Kasi ganito yung ginawa mo, But you have to acknowledge, Ma'am, na contributory ka din sa mga nangyayari, Ma'am.
But why do we have to do that, Attorney Hill, during the consultation?
Kasi para yung expectation ng client ba, maset, Attorney Jan.
And also, pagdating ng trial,
Tatanong ba din yan, di ba?
itatanong yan ng so, alam na niya yung sagot, yung paano sagutin. Paano
diba?
niya i-handle yung mga responses niya pag ganyan na yung tanong. So, mas mabuti nang naging uncomfortable sila dito. Para na lang, practice to, tapos pagdating doon, okay ka na.
Yeah. So, kaya nga mas mabuti. In fact, kahit sa exam. Mabuti na lang nagkamali ka sa exam kaysa sa bar exam.
Sa bar exam, bumagsak ka din.
Diba? So, yun
Ang
na
hirap
din
nun.
yun.
Ang laki na nagastos mo.
So, dapat talaga, at least, alam ni client kung ano yung strength ng case niya, alam ng client kung ano yung weakness ng case niya.
Yun.
So, dapat talaga, we have to inform them. Kahit masakit pa sa kanila.
That's why we have to guide them.
Third
Third step, the guide. So we give them the options, what are the risks that comes with it, and then yung mga hindi pwedeng sure win guarantee. So there is no guarantee.
So, after Attorney Jan,
Everything.
So, nag-prepare ka na.
Yes.
No, you go through the handle phase.
Handling case. The
Yung
handling.
guide, sinabihan mo na yung client. Doon na tayo sa pag-decide. Pwede na bang tanggapin, Attorney Jan, pag nakita natin, nakinggan na natin yung client, alam natin na strong yung case. Yung risk naman, Attorney Jan, na-assess na natin na safe naman sa self ko, safe sa client, safe sa family ko. Pwede na bang i-accept, Attorney Jan?
We could, but there are also consultations na hindi tayo pwedeng mag-decide agad because we have to pause.
So doon natin tingnan, Attorney Jan, na yung deciding phase.
Yes, we give time talaga to decide. Kasi
ang available sa decision, Attorney Jan, tatlong pwede mangyari. Pwede accept yung case.
Pwede kang mag-pause or review. Review muna yung
and then, pwede ka
case.
din mag-decline.
Decline or refer. Decline and na lang siguro, no?
Depende. Kasi hindi naman ibig sabihin na lawyer tayo, may kakilala tayong expert sa field.
Ayan.
Diba?
But if we can refer, we will.
We should refer
We should.
kasi hindi dapat nga nakarating yan sa'yo. So, meaning, kukunti siguro lang yung
So, let's go to the, paano ba pag, kailan ba natin ina-accept yung,
case.
sa atin.
Sa atin.
Yes,
Paano natin i-accept yung case?
First, if.
When are we going to accept the case? So, ano ba, Attorney Jan?
First, if, klaro na yung facts, tapos, yung mga proof pa natin natawag natin
yung mga
evidence and documents available at hand
So,
ni client.
na-clear na talaga.
Okay
Hindi
na.
pwedeng half-baked lang, Attorney Jan. Hindi pwede.
Hindi.
Ha?
Hindi pwede, patay tayo dyan.
Sige.
And then, second, that's where client fit comes in. If cooperative si client. Even if mahirap yung medyo challenging yung case, but cooperative naman si client.
Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng cooperative si client, Attorney Jan?
Pag pinapatawag sa hearing, nandito. Pag may nire-require tayong mga documents or evidences, nagko-cooperate siya. And then also, nagso-support sa atin when like they give the fees, the right fees for us, the agreed fees. Kasi mahal na yung gas.
Nagtitest yung gas, no? Di ba? Pero Attorney Jan, yung cooperation ng client,
And then also,
hindi naman ibig sabihin na kasi minsan, Attorney Jan, may binibigay tayong advice sa client in the middle of the case.
Yes.
Di ba? Minsan, yung client may gusto sila. Yun yung problema, may gusto sila. So, pag ganyan ang nangyayari, Attorney John, ano ba yung ginagawa natin? Di ba? So, nag-advise tayo, and then ethics is telling us na dapat tayo mag-control ng case, hindi yung client.
Hindi dapat yung
So,
client.
ibig sabihin natin ni John, pag yung client is gusto niya talaga yung gusto yung mangyari. So, yun, it's a sign na hindi
He is not
he's
cooperating.
Mahirap yan, Attorney John.
Meron din yung pinagsabihan mo, huwag kang magpo-post. Tapos mayat maya.
Nagpo-post. Oh,
Bye.
hindi pwede, Attorney John.
Patay na
May-
tayo.
oo, hindi
Ang
pwede.
hirap ng kaso. Tapos opposing pa sa'yo, hindi pa nag-cooperate sa mga instructions mo.
So, dapat, kasi, you have to consider that. You have to consider
Yes,
that. No?
before we
Sinasabihan mo
accept.
yung client na, ma'am, ibang point din ito dyan, cooperation pa din. Ma'am, pag may gusto kang itanong, pwede kang mag-text, pwede kang punta sa office, pa-schedule. Hindi ka pwedeng, ma'am, anytime tatawag kasi may gusto ka. Di ba?
Yes.
So, yung client minsan tumatawag 10 a.m. at 10 p.m.
It's also, that's
10
why we
a.m.
are also,
Yeah.
na parang clear din tayo sa instructions natin ba na, ma'am, during this time, hindi pwedeng tumawag.
So, dapat you have to know na cooperative yung client. Kasi, hindi naman pwedeng kung may gusto sila, tumatawag at masasagot natin.
Kasi hindi lang isa yung client na hinahandle natin.
Imagine, nasa court ka, tinatawagan ka. Di ba?
They are
Hindi
also
pwede.
hunting, yeah.
So, you have to consider that my client kasi na pabalik-balik, parang ang dami nilang tanong, parang lahat ng bagay, yun na. So, hindi naman sa
Well, we
pangit yan,
understand
hindi naman
how
sa
they
pangit
feel.
yan.
Yes.
Ang ibig ko lang sabihin, Attorney Jan, na okay ba yan sa'yo?
Kung
Have
okay?
you considered it?
Yes.
Na
Kung
okay lang sa'yo?
okay sa'yo, panyero,
So,
go for it.
Panyeros, panyeras, again, we're just telling you kung ano yung mga experience namin na you have to consider. Okay?
If okay lang sa kanila, then go, accept
Yes,
it. By all means.
Di ba?
Jinx.
So, ano pa?
Fees and the scope is
Scope,
clarified.
yes.
Ano ba yung scope of service? Kasi minsan, there are cases na hanggang filing lang dito sa prosecution, but not included yung filing sa court.
Yes. So,
And then-
dapat clear.
Yes, and
So-
also the fees.
So, pag ganyan, na-fit kayo sa client, safe naman, so pwede mo nang tanggapin.
Okay, you can accept. But how about when there is a need to pause and to review?
So, minsan, Attorney Jan, especially yung mga walk-in, kadalasan,
mahirap.
kulang-kulang yung documents. So, you cannot just accept the case because feeling mo,
Okay ka na.
sinasabi na ni client lahat-lahat. So, dapat talagang gawin mo, Attorney Jan, would be
To check.
check the records.
Yes.
Hingi ka ng documents.
Read and check the documents. Ano din, if there are also, we are also obliged to be updated of the laws, bagong mga desisyon ng
Oh.
Supreme Court.
So,
Ayun.
dapat talaga, again, you don't have to accept the case. Meron din minsan, Attorney Jan,
Right
na,
away,
yeah,
yes.
meron din minsan, Attorney Jan, na dapat nating, pag-aralan talaga yung case.
Oh, because there are cases that are very, sometimes controversial or complicated.
In fact, Attorney Jan, may experience ako, sabi ko kanina, may consultation. Ang nangyari sa consultation, Attorney Jan, is that it was succession. Kung succession, Attorney Jan, at saka related to yung direct line, yung anak, madali lang.
Okay lang.
Di ba?
Yung
Direct
grandfather,
lang. Dali
mother,
lang.
son,
Pero
ganon.
naalala ko, Attorney Jan, yun may kasamang preterisyon, may kasama pang mga yung mga illegitimate, yung mga ganyan. Kumbaga, yung dati, applicable pa yung Iron Curtain Bar Rule, di ba?
Applicable pa naman.
Ano po naman? Ano ba yung
Iron Curtain. On the next topic.
So, yan,
Anyway,
yan. Si Attorney Jan, dinidelay yung sagot. Okay naman yan, di ba?
That's why sometimes when it gets complicated, hindi pwedeng dapat alam natin agad, binibigay natin diretso yung
Yes.
yung sagot. So
Be
if
honest naman na hindi ka marunong at
if
that
we feel
point.
the need
At that
to
point, hindi ka
research,
sure.
yes.
Diba? So, if you have to research, then do so.
Kasi
You do not put yung pride mo kasi nagko-consult. Hindi. Yung pride natin, Attorney Jan, dapat sideline yan
because we have to be honest
Yes.
to our clients.
Oo,
And
dapat
it's part of
talaga
our
honest
ethics
tayo. In fact, attorney dyan, naalala ko, ito,
Oh.
hindi consultation. Pero in court yun, in court.
In court, hindi
Yeah,
off
in
court.
court.
Sige,
Hindi
ano
yun
ba
off
nangyari sa in court?
It was my second cross-examination, attorney Jan. My second cross-examination.
Second cross-examination. Second time na nag-cross-examine.
Second time pa lang.
Ano bang nangyari?
So, ang nangyari, attorney Jan, alam mo naman, ang hirap. Supposedly, it was my second.
yeah.
Try ko first attempt kasi nagpapalo tayo ng rules. One day witness rule. Yung first examination ko, ang hirap.
Mahirap talaga mag-cross.
Parang mali-mali.
It's very challenging kasi next time.
So, ang nangyari doon, attorney Jan, supposedly, second time ko na mag-cross. So, I had the option na, hindi option, sinabi ko sa court, Your Honor, can I just ask for a continuance, Your Honor, and I will conduct my cross on the next hearing?
So, bago ka pa lang nun na
Bago
lawyer.
pa, sabi
So,
ng,
to our new lawyers also.
sabi ng court, attorney Jan, Attorney, this court observes a one-day witness rule.
Patay.
Di ba? Parang naano ako doon,
Wala, ano na?
Alam ko yung first, ang hirap eh. So, sinabi ko na lang sa court, Your Honor, to be candid, Your Honor, I have to swallow my pride at the time. To be candid, Your Honor, this will be my second time to conduct the cross, Your Honor.
Cross-examination.
It's difficult, Your Honor. So, I'd be asking this court na pwede bang
For the
I will conduct my
leniency, ganon?
Yeah,
We
I
ask
will
for the
just conduct my
leniency.
cross next time, Your Honor, because I have to read the transcript.
Nag-grant naman ba?
Yeah, mabuti naman maano si judge. Mabait si judge at binigyan ako ng ano.
Actually, there is a rule for that na lenient yung nagbibigay sila ng leniency to the new lawyers. So we just
Yes.
have to
Ask the court.
talaga. Be polite and ask if
So,
kailangan.
talaga, attorney Jan, pag hindi tayo confident, we can delay.
We can.
We can delay. We'll ask for documents. We ask for clarifications. You ask them to write yung mga family tree.
Ano din yung timeline of events we
Yes.
need to verify.
Yeah, hindi pwede. Kaya, i-delay mo. It does not mean
because-
again na sinabi ng client, tama na sila.
Hindi.
Especially pag may documents involved, you really have to check
Lalo na
it.
pag nakita mo na ang dami pang kulang.
Yes. So, dapat sabihin mo talaga, ma'am, kulang yung documents mo, you need to get this, and then only then we can tell you whether or not there's a merit to your case.
Yan.
Ah,
Kasi
so-
we need to make them understand na hindi pwedeng allegations lang yung
Yan.
meron tayo.
So, yun yung pause and review.
Okay.
Again, hindi automatic na nag-consult, gusto nilang engage ka, hindi automatic na mag-say yes
Bigay
ka.
ka agad ng advice.
Yeah.
Hindi mali yun at hindi masama ang
Yeah.
mag-pause.
So, punta tayo sa attorney dyan, yung
Decline
Decline
or
or refer.
refer.
Yes.
So, bakit
ano ba
ba
yun?
tayo umaabot sa pagde-decline ng client?
yes. So, chine-check mo yung merit ng case.
Kung ano ba?
Pag weak yung case,
Weak ba?
hindi talaga pwede pag ikaw yung nag-file.
Hindi siya kailangan i-file agad.
Pwede ka mag-prepare pa,
Yes,
di ba?
pwede pang mag-prepare.
At saka, pero pag kahit
Hindi
kumpleto na
talaga.
yung case, at saka weak talaga, magdi-decline ka talaga.
Yes.
Again, sa ethics yan na magpapile tayo ng case na, magpapile tayo ng case, tapos, ano ba yun, yung losing
Wala,
case
losing.
talaga. Bawal yan, bawal.
Kasi if upon assessment, losing, tapos hindi mo na-cater yung expectation ng client, you won't have a good relationship with the
So,
client.
it's different talaga, Attorney Jan, pag defense ka naman. Kasi it's not for us to decide kung...
Hindi eh.
Di ba?
Hindi. May affected
Ethics
din
yan yan.
yung ethics
Diba?
natin. Sa
So,
Care for the
didecline ka din,
Defense.
Attorney Jan, pag conflict of interest.
Yes, we have to.
Di ba?
Kasi,
Counsel, you have to expect na yung case, hindi matapos-tapos in 1 year time.
lalo na pag also, pag disrespectful yung client.
May client ako, Attorney Jan, talaga?
May hugot tayo dito.
Sabi ng client, Attorney Jan, mali yung ginawa ko.
Mali.
Sabi ng client, sabi ko,
Sinabihan
kasi-
ka, mali yung
yes,
ginawa mo.
Email talaga. Sabi ng client, dapat mag-file ako ng motion for reconsideration.
Oh.
Kasi ayaw ko mag-file ng motion for reconsideration. Kasi inherited ko yung case. Yung case, yung order ng court is more than 1 year na.
Oh, ayun.
Gusto niyang mag-file ako ng motion for reconsideration. Di, sinabihan ko talaga yung client na, ma'am, sir, hindi pwede yung gusto mo. kung tama pa naman yung gusto mo, at saka you think I'm wrong, you can ask or you can find another lawyer talaga.
Yes, consult another lawyer.
Yes.
Kasi if on your assessment, hindi talaga pwede. Hindi naman pwedeng i-cater mo kasi yun yung gusto ng
So, ang
client.
ending talaga noon, Attorney Jan, is nag-withdraw talaga ako. Kasi hindi kami fit.
No choice.
Yeah,
Hindi
no choice.
fit si client. Hindi
So,
kayo
in
tinadhana.
short, if you're able to observe yung mga red flags in advance, might as well na hindi mo na tanggapin kasi nakasave siya
ng time
ng cost mo,
and resources.
saka
Yes.
yung stress mo lesser din.
Lesser din. And siguro maybe there might be a better person who can handle
Yeah, di ba?
hindi tayo yon ganon.
So,
Mga ganyan talaga.
So, balikan natin, Attorney Jan, pag yung sa pag-decide ng case, dapat you
And
have
decision
to,
making.
meron kang tatlong pwedeng gawin,
Okay.
no?
First is,
Accept mo yung
pwede mo
case.
accept, okay?
Mag-pause ka, hindi agad-agad.
Pause,
I-accept.
review, assess,
Yeah.
ayun.
And then lastly, Attorney Jan, would be,
We decline or refer. If kaya namang i-refer, we will refer. Or we
yes,
should.
actually, may
refer.
nakapunta sa atin, di ba? Ni-refer ng ibang tao kasi conflict.
Ah,
Hindi, ibang
yes.
tao, ibang lawyer.
Ibang lawyer.
Thank you, Panyero. No, thank you, Panyero. Kasi conflict.
Conflict of interest sa
Yes.
kanya. So now, we go to, we give life to the things that we have discussed. Ano
Yes.
yung mga
Paano ba ito
scenario?
ina-apply? Ina-apply
Yung
sa
mga-
actual.
Let's talk about the scenario. May tanong, attorney, simple lang to. Sabihin mo na kung may kaso ba.
Oh, para yung...
Paano ba yung
ito
hinahandle?
first scenario. Yung gusto ng client, no, sa consultation pa lang, gusto niyang malaman kung
Sabihin mo na
pwede
agad.
bang makapag-file ng case.
Bago pa lang ba, no?
Oh.
Not more than 5 minutes, gusto agad.
Yan, di ba? At saka meron din attorney dyan na nakabalik na siya pero kulang pa din yung papel niya. Sinabihin mo din, ma'am, kailangan natin din ito. Kasi ang nangyari attorney dyan, pumunta ng client,
Oo.
binigyan natin ng, kumbaga, resita.
Requirements. Kasi konsulta Kung yung mga doktor may
Konsulta, at saka may
nagbibigay
resita.
ng resita.
Tayo din, may
Dito
konsulta,
rin.
bibigyan tayo ng resita.
Sa legal practice.
Kunin mo ito sa assessor, kunin mo ito sa register of deeds.
Oh,
kunin
yan.
mo ito
Madami.
ganito.
Sa korte, ganon.
Doon, pag nakikita natin doon, uy, may kailangan palang iba. So, balik na agad si client
Okay.
sa ibang room. Ma'am, kailangan mo punta ng DAR. Di ba?
Punta ka ng DAR.
Oh, punta kang DNR. Attorney, kailan matapos ito? Pwede bang i-file na natin to?
Hindi naman pwede kasi
Hindi
kailangan
pwede.
natin tingnan to
So,
better assess.
So, in short, kahit gustong-gusto ng client na mag-file ng case na agad-agad, at saka sa end mo, hindi ka pa convinced talaga, so kailangan mo talaga na i-slow down yung
Mag-slow down
process.
ka kasi pag nag-give ka ng
Na-give
advice,
in ka.
it would be a bad advice on incomplete.
Oh, kasi kulang.
Kulang yung facts.
Hindi pwede na nag-give ka ng advice, hindi ka convinced.
Sa
But if you have to give, sabihin mo na lang,
Initial, pwede.
initial, ma'am, ganito yung nakikita ko.
Initially. But
Yes.
I cannot give you the assurance na ganito talaga yung mga mangyayari.
Oh,
Because we need these papers.
Yeah.
Ganon.
So, you have to be honest kung may kailangan pa, di ba?
Oo, para to better serve our clients. So, the lesson is to slow down and then verify.
Yes.
Next,
Ang scenario, Attorney Jan.
ano ba yun? The client who hides the bad fact. Ano ba yun? Meron tayo, madami tayong na-encounter na ganun, attorney, parang pinifilter pag pumunta dito, di ba?
Kumbaga sabi natin, Attorney Jan, na ano ba yun? Naghanap ng validation.
Yeah, seeking
Yun.
for validation.
Yes.
Tapos, ang daming may dalang folder, pero pinipili lang yung mga papers na binibigay sa'yo.
Kakatawa din yan, Attorney Jan, kasi na-experience ko yan, nagko-consult, yung client nagpupunta, nagdadala yan ng
Folders.
makapal na folder minsan
Minsan envelope.
Di ba?
Marami.
Tapos, ang nangyari, Attorney Jan, hinihingi ko yung papers niya.
Okay.
Nakita ko kasi, inano niya,
Napi-flip over.
no, nagpi-flip siya sa papers niya. Nakita ko, ang dami. Sabi ko, ma'am, bigay mo na lang sa akin yung lahat ng documents mo and then I will pick what I need.
Mhm.
Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong nandyan.
Yes.
The client
But
was very
those
hesitant.
documents are relevant
Yes.
to the consultation and the case.
The client was very hesitant, Attorney Jan.
Ano ba yung nangyari? Bakit ba siya hesitant? Anong nalaman
I
mo?
don't know, Attorney Jan, but nung binuksan ko yung mga papers niya, kasi sabi ko, may nakita kasi ako sa kanya, parang court decision, court order, yung mga ganyan.
Ah.
Pero sabi ko, ma'am, ano yan, ma'am? sabi niya, wala to, attorney.
Wala to.
Wala to, attorney. Kasing lumang-luma na eh.
Nawala na.
Parang lampas na 40 years ata.
So, it was found out na ano?
Sabi ko sa kanya, ma'am, ano yan? Can I have it? Sabi niya, attorney, wala lang to. Kaya sabi ko, ma'am, kailangan ko talaga yan. Yun. Pag
We have to
tingin ko pala, it's a case, very old case, more than 40 years case na related sa case niya.
Agoy.
Yung
So,
case talaga, Attorney John, is sa ano pa? Parang sa grandfather niya.
1980s, ang gano'n.
Hindi, 1970s pa.
Oh my God. Ang tagal na.
1970s pa.
And then, it was
So,
adverse? Ano ba? Is it
Hindi, kasi may case na pala. Bawal naman yan sa atin na magpa-file.
again?
Kasi ibang party.
Patay
Kasi
tayo
hindi naman
dyan.
party. Kasi granddaughter, grandson ba yun? Di ba?
Iba na yung party.
Ah.
So,
Pero
parang
same property.
may mga adverse kasi na mga...
So, dapat talaga
Decisions
pag
or
yung mga
facts.
client attorney na kahit initially sa tingin natin strong yung case nila.
Yeah, they sound strong at first.
Oo.
Mapag-insist.
Baka nga may hindi sinabi.
Yeah, that's why we have to ask questions and we have to ask the adverse question like, may pinirmahan ka bang waiver?
Yan.
May admission ka na ba? May pinirmahan ka bang mga amicable settlement or compromise agreement?
So dapat early talaga, Attorney Jan, dapat makuha natin yung mga
Yes.
adverse facts. Super
Kasi
important
pag
yan eh.
hindi natin alam yon, we could file the wrong case.
Yan. At saka, pag hindi natin alam yun, we can file the case and then we'll be surprised na meron palang ibang paper.
We can also be held administratively liable. Ganun.
Depende na. Kung alam natin, yun.
But
hindi na yun. Diba?
Anyway,
At saka ito, Attorney Jan, pangatlong scenario.
ano ba yung pangatlong scenario? The
Yes.
emotionally charged na encounter nyo rin ba yung emotionally charged na client? Parang galit, iyak na iyak, gustong maghigante. Na-encounter mo yun, Attorney Hill?
Meron pa din yung nagre-rebel na kahit irrelevant na attorney.
Ano ba yung, ano ba yung
attorney,
nangyari?
irrelevant na, di ba? Pero, naalala ko dati, attorney, may client ako. Bagong lawyer ako, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin kasi first time kong na-encounter.
Ano ba
Yung
nangyari
client
sa
ko
client
talaga,
na yun?
attorney, nasa, floor, umiiyak. Parang bata, attorney.
Nag-hysterical yung client, ganun.
Oo,
Umiyak siya.
grabe, attorney. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko.
So, how did you handle that situation?
Pinainom ko na lang ng tubig.
But now, paano ba natin i-handle yan ngayon pag na-encounter natin na nag-hysterical yung client?
Pwede tayong sumabay umiyak? Hindi naman pwede.
Kung ako, iyak ako eh. Ay, joke lang yan.
Attorney Jan, kailangan din nating lawyers na at least may foundation tayo sa mga how the mind works.
The responses of the brain.
Yeah. So,
Parang ganon.
Actually, yung brain natin, yung napag-aralan ko, may iba-ibang
Natin.
parts yan. Di ba?
Yes.
One of which is yung reptilian part sa brain. Yung concern sa survival instincts natin.
Hindi na nagpa-function pag naka-survival mode.
Alam mo, pag nasa survival mode yung client, o kahit sino, hindi client, including us.
Yes.
Hindi tayo, that part of the
Including me.
brain is incapable of thinking Di ba? So, meaning to say, paano yan? Incapable
So,
of thinking
Ano
Kadala, yung mga signs niya natin dyan, triple F.
triple F. First is flight. Parang
Flight.
lumilipad.
Gustong
umiwas,
makalis na,
gusto nang
di ba?
umalis, gusto
Flight,
nang matapos.
Yung avoidance, yung mga ganyan. Yung freeze.
Yung freeze. Yung wala na, hindi na makagalaw, hindi na makaisip.
Umiyak,
wala
iyak
na.
na lang, iyak. Kahit anong tanong, ang hirap niyan. Di
Tapos,
ba?
pinakadelikado.
Yung fight. Yung fight.
Suntukan talaga tayo,
Oo,
bay.
fight. Alam ko, may experience ako, Attorney Jan, tinatanong ako ng adverse na client. Attorney, alam mo naman yun, di ba, abogado ka.
Patay.
Alam mo, hindi ako kasali ng ano.
Kayo lang, wala ako dyan. Trabaho lang to. Ano ba kayo?
Sabi niya, alam mo, attorney ka di ba? Ganito yung attorney, ganito. Buti. Ano, gagawin ko doon? Di ba? So, dapat may learnings din tayo on how
About
the brain works.
yes, and the responses.
So, one of the technique talaga na ina-apply ko parati, Attorney Jan, is yung nagjo-joke ako.
Yeah. We
dapat,
change the topic, no? Apart
dapat
from...
ano din yung pagjo-joke mo Baka hindi kasali.
baka ba
Baka magalit lalo.
Suntukin
di ba?
tayo na.
Pero another technique, attorney, is yung asking of questions.
Asking a different questions.
Kahit
Yes.
anong question, attorney.
Basta irrelevant doon
Oh,
sa...
kahit anong questions.
Di makikita mo.
you just encourage a person to respond to the question.
Makikita mo nag-iiba yung emotion, nagla-lighten up
Yes. And then you'll explain later. Bakit?
Bakit
In
ganun?
fact, ang ginawa natin sa office, attorney John, we tell the clients na, ma'am, kahit anong state yung napipil mo during our conversation, pag may tanong ako,
Just
sasagot
answer.
ka talaga.
Just
Kahit
answer.
yes, kahit no, sasagot ka talaga, ma'am. Before the emotion gets in.
Oo.
Kasi when you tell them that, then the emotion is already in. Ang hirap
Wala na. Ang hirap na
Ang hirap
i-control
na, yes.
Hindi
So,
na.
dapat you inform the client ahead na, ma'am, when things during the consultation, you'll get emotional, you have to respond
Or
to
like
the
the
questions.
situation becomes
Yes.
uncomfortable.
Yes, yes.
Ayan.
So,
we
dapat magsagot talaga kasi that's one technique na matanggal yung emotion sa client.
Parang alam nila pag nandun na yung situation, ay, ganito yung sinabi ni attorney.
Yes, in fact, you have to remember
Ito na
na,
yun.
diba, ma'am, ito na yung moment na sabi ko, sasagot ka talaga.
So,
Kasi-
they are informed. So, they can
Yes.
manage better.
So
Ayun.
pag mga ganyan, dapat talaga may alam natin yung how the brain works. Maraming mga courses yung
Meron available.
pinag-aralan ko
madaming
nasa Udemy, nasa
Coursera.
Coursera.org.
Yeah, we have.
Diba? Maraming mga professionals doon, mga experts sa mind.
So now,
Last, attorney.
the
Ito,
last
last na lang, ha,
last
kasi-
na lang kasi parang 1 hour and 20 minutes na
ang
tayo, no?
dali-dali, no? Sige, yung consultation that reveals red flag.
May mga red flag na client, padami tayo na.
Madami.
Madami.
Diba?
Yung first, yung tinatago yung mga facts pa.
Ano
Hindi
yung actually,
sinasabi
pinag-usapan na
lahat.
natin
Yes.
kanina, no?
And then, yung gusto ng shortcut na alam mo, meron akong na-encounter.
Na-experience. Sige, pakinggan natin yung
Ano,
experience mo, attorney John.
it involves a parcel of land, tapos yung may-ari patay na.
Okay.
So, gusto niya na, inotaryo ko daw yung
Deed
yung
of sale,
deed
parang
of
ganyan.
sale kahit patay na.
Oh.
So, tingnan ko na lang daw yung ID. Uy, ma'am, hindi pwede yun. Kasi, mas makakatipid daw siya doon sa pag nagnotaryo ako ng deed of sale kasa extrajudicial, settlement of estate. Hindi
Parang mas
pwede.
magaling pa sa'yo. Di ba? So, hindi yan pwede.
Red flag tayo doon. Doon
Oh.
yung, attacks prior counsel, ayay.
Yay, patay tayo dyan. Ang likelihood
Kasi
niya natin
tayo din.
i-attack.
Pag hindi tayo nagustuhan, yan si yan, pangit yan, ganun. And then, refuses fees. Meron namang una, nagbabayad, and then at some point in time, parang nahihirapan na sila sa situation
Considerate
nila.
naman tayo, pero
Yes.
hindi pwedeng hanggang matapos na rin yung case.
Hindi mo na,
Kung-
hindi mo na makontak.
Siguro sa ngayon natin pwede lagay mo na lang sa sa ulas. Diba,
Ulas
diba?
na lang, yes.
Yeah,
So,
ulas na lang.
different
Pero at
program.
the end of the, talaga attorney, yung kailangan is, for example, yung client, naalala ko attorney, kasi part of what we do is, nag-exert tayo ng effort na
yes.
mag-settle talaga, di ba?
Effort.
Yung client attorney, nakikita ko parang pinagsabihan pa ko, attorney, are you lawyering for them?
Wow.
Attorney, narinig ko na binayaran ka daw.
Uy,
Yung mga
patay.
ganyan.
I've heard that once.
Di ba?
Mahirap yun, hindi
pag
pwedeng
nangyari
ganun.
mga ganyan, mag-withdraw na lang tayo.
Hindi na kayo fit ni client.
And then, yun, mga red flag. So,
And then-
dapat sa simula pa lang,
Assessment mo na.
transparent
Assess
ka
mo na.
talaga.
Yes.
So, dapat transparent. Importante, transparent ka talaga.
Alam mo yung, ito yung mga rules natin, ha? Ito yung mga
Yes.
kailangan gawin.
Oo.
So, pag ganyan, mga red flags, we have to politely decline.
Yan. Sige.
Kasi risk management din yan eh.
So, attorney, ang dami na nating
Daming sana
napag-usapan.
marami kayong nakuha na takeaways or mga tips and lessons sa napag-usapan
Pero
namin.
pwedeng
ni
short
Attorney.
recap, attorney Jan. Short
Oh,
recap.
let's go with, ano ba yan,
Yung
recap
consultation
tayo?
niya. Short recap,
Okay,
attorney.
we have like first, sa consultation.
O by mga question pa.
May question ba?
May question ba? May question?
Wala ako internet. Di ko makita. So, mag-recap muna tayo bago
sige.
tayo sa question. So, the consultation has 3 jobs. First is listening, and then
Yes.
we screen the risk, and then we filter. So, again, listen. screen the wrist and then filter. Do you
Filter, for
accept?
example, yes.
For,
Check mo kung
pursuing
conflict of
ba?
interest, di ba?
Kung fit ba kayo ni
Yeah.
client? Ganon.
So, ano
and
pa?
then, during the consultation, we have talked about the 4 consultation framework. So, we have first, the preparation, and then second is the handling, how to handle the consultation.
Yes,
and then
yung mga narration
third,
of facts nila,
yes.
hindi pwedeng unlimited time.
Hindi pwede kasi marami pa tayong dapat i-cater ng mga clients.
Yung, may dagdag ako dyan natin Sinasabihan ko talaga yung client before we start na, ma'am, during the interview, I will be the one asking questions. No?
So we can let them narrate, but if tapos na yung narration nila, we have to cut them off.
Yeah. And we have to tell them na I might cut you in between, ma'am. Kasi para hindi ma-offend.
Kailangan natin magtanong. Baka ma-offend nagnanarate, tapos biglang nagtanong, tapos
Yes.
hindi natin
Kasi normally,
heads up.
they get emotional.
Yeah.
So, dapat i-cut natin.
We
minsan.
ask. And then the next is we guide them what are the options and what are the risks that comes with pursuing the case. And
Yeah.
also, we cannot have the sure win guarantee. So, no guarantee.
Yes. And then,
And
magde-decide ka.
then, decide. So, this is where either you accept or pause ka muna, mag-review and assess, or you decline or refer the client to another lawyer.
So, ano pa ito pag, for example, kailangan mo mag-aral, ano yung sinasabi mo?
Okay lang mag-aral. Kung kailangan mo mag-aral, kailangan mong maging honest sa client na, mama, yung case mo medyo complicated, mahirap siya. Kailangan kong pag-aralan to para mabigyan kita ng serbisyo na deserve mo.
Yes.
Ganon.
Dati, nung bago ako ito niya, ang hirap niya.
Okay, nahirapan niya ako ng una.
Ang hirap niya. Nahirap sabihin na, ma'am, kailangan ko pa mag-aral.
But it's a good thing that we are taught here in this organization na we have to be honest,
Yeah.
transparent. Kahit na parang feeling mo lang yun na na-offend sila, the client might appreciate your honesty.
Yes.
Ganon.
In fact, may client ako na alam niya talaga ano yung sasabihin ko kasi di naman natin alam lahat-lahat. Dapat natin mag-aral din, di ba?
Yeah. So, no, attorney, we proceed ba sa na ba tayo? Decision.
Ano pa
Tapos
natin
na.
yung mga takeaway pa. So, yung recap natin is that yung client handling attorney, the way we handle client, is as important as the legal analysis.
Yes.
Yun, di ba?
Kala natin, ethics, easy lang sa law school. Pero, kailangan mo pala sa legal practice during the actual
At saka
practice.
finally attorney, ano ba yun attorney? Not every client
Not every
consultation.
client consultation should become a case.
Ah.
Kasi minsan, pwedeng in court, but pwede namang off
Of
court.
court, di ba? Or out of court yun talaga,
Out
di
of
ba?
court yun.
Pero
So, ginamit lang
kasi
namin.
in case off court series.
Tandaan nyo, manood kayo sa susunod.
Uy, marami pa naman, di ba?
Madami pa kasi we are doing this every third Saturday of the month.
Yeah.
So, ano
Attorney,
yung mga questions?
May question attorney. Actually, may nag-chat sa akin attorney. Sabi niya,
Uy, meron.
what questions should always be asked during consultation? Yan, attorney.
What question should So, ano ba yung objective? Yung rule of thumb talaga dyan is to know the objective of the client.
Yung objective, kadalasan, hidden yan eh.
Tinatago
Not very obvious.
Ang dami nang sinabi, pero nasa ilalim pala yung objective niya.
Yeah, like example attorney, may nagdadala ng birth certificate. Yung pangalan niya, yung nationality niya, let's say, yung filiation niya.
Affiliation.
Not married, tapos married.
Agoy.
Yung parents niya. Di ba? Kailangan court yan, di ba?
Kailangan sa court. Mag-file
Tapos,
tayo ng
yung
petition.
Pag tinitingnan mo yung birth certificate, dapat case agad, di ba? Pero pag nagtatanong ka, yung kailangan lang pala is joint affidavit.
Joint
of so
affidavit lang
disinterested.
kasi yun lang yung kailangan ng agency concerned.
Yes. So,
Ayun.
hindi talaga, dapat hindi sa dapat makikita natin
doon sa facts or like
Yes,
sa objective
kaya.
ni client. Ayun.
So,
Attorney, may tanong?
Ano yung main objective, rule of thumb?
Tanungin mo yung anong main objective ni client.
What
For what
is
purpose?
success? No?
What is success? To
What
them.
success looks like?
To them.
Yun.
Ano ba yung success sa kanila? Kasi, there is that possibility and tendency na iba yung definition mo ng success at iba din sa kanya.
Yes. Ano pa?
Attorney, may nagtanong, second, ano ba yan? Bonbon. Paano po maningil ng fees kung sa text or chat lang nagko-consult and walang prior agreement regarding fees? Oy, challenging.
Pwede mo sagutin yan? Pwede ba? Apply natin yung learning.
We inform first.
Di ba? Ano yung dapat kailangan?
That's why we have to be transparent.
Yung first, ano nga yung dapat yung 3 jobs?
Kailangan listen.
Dapat mag-listen.
Listen.
Hindi pwede mag-listen sa chat.
Paano ba nagli-listen? Nagbabasa pala yun, no? Nagre-read.
Di ba? Paano ma-assess mo yung risk? Yung chat lang yan, kulang eh. Ang daming kulang, di ba? Ang hirap.
So, ang hirap magbigay agad ng legal advice pag chat. Kasi hindi naman lahat na tatype mo.
Paano mo makita yung filter?
Pero
paano mo ma-apply yung filter pag chat?
Paano ba naniningil? Pag
So,
nag-filter
sa akin talaga, di ba? Listen, risk assessment, and then filter.
Filter
Kaya,
tayo.
pag nag-chat, sabi ko talaga, punta ka sa office.
Or we could do a call naman.
Yeah, yun. So, hindi ako nagbibigay ng advice sa text.
Pero paano ba daw, attorney,
Kaya hindi ako pwede mangungulik.
na
So, yung advice mo dyan is, pwede mag-schedule kayo ng meeting, pwede online or via conference call. Kasi you have to apply the 3. Listen, risk assessment,
Meron
at saka
pa.
filter. After that, doon, makapag-charge ka na.
Kasi at first, pag nag-listen ka, but prior naman to the consultation, you have to be very, very honest. Magtatanong kayo for what purpose,
Yan nga.
kailangan. Ito yung mga fee policy namin dito sa office.
At saka actually, attorney Jan, di ba yung tanong is very timely sa next session natin. Ano ba yung next session natin, attorney Jan?
How to bill a client. Yan yung next topic natin for our episode 3.
That will be, kailan yan, attorney Jan?
That will be April 18.
April 18. Yo, guys, don't forget, April 18, 2026 at 6 p.m. din.
So, pwede nyong mapanood paano natin i-expand and how to
Build a client.
a client.
Diba? Isang session din yun. Mahababang usapan yan eh.
Meron pang isang tanong, attorney. Can we
meron pa,
cater?
meron pa.
Last question.
Sige, cater natin yung tanong.
Can you lawyers ask for legal fees pending application for BIR tax receipt? Ano man? Sagutin mo, Attorney Hill.
So, lagay mo na lang yan sa ulas. Di ba? Lagay mo lang yan sa ulas.
Pro bono legal service.
Di ba?
Accredited na.
Pero, hindi talaga pwede. So,
Pag hindi
dapat
ka
ka
pa-
talaga, before ka naniningil, ang tamang gawin mo is,
May
apply ka sa
resibo.
BIR.
Yes.
Di ba? Hindi naman pwede kasi earning yun eh. Earning yan natin.
Kailangan i-declare patay tayo.
Di ba? So, dapat talaga mag-declare ka ng ano.
Wash out daw, oy.
Pero
Attorney
hindi
Hill.
naman, hindi naman,
Hindi lahat.
taxable lahat.
Hindi lahat, yes.
Kailangan mo
May-
lang mag-report sa BIR. May income ka. Diba? May bracket na may,
Yeah, 250,000.
hindi ko alam. Uy, 30, kasama natin si 30.
Wash out daw, wash out.
Natin. Di ba? So, again guys, questions, your questions, if you have questions about the billing, then we'll be talking about that on April 18.
On April 18 on
Yes.
our next episode. So, we hope na marami kayong nakuha or may mga nakuha kayo sa session na ito.
Yeah, actually, dyan, before tayo mag-close sa
End.
session na ito,
Before
we'd
we
like
end
to
the
talk about
program.
yung in case, di ba, that may surpresa yung in case.
Dati, we just had the case for lawyers, the case management system. So, to better cater or like to make legal services more accessible, so we
Sa
now
March
have
28,
the case for
client.
Yes!
So,
Ayun!
yung client natin, yung problema sa billing, doon, pwede na.
Makikita na ni client yung update ng case niya, kailan ba yung next hearing, or yung i-relate
tudo,
natin
mga
dito.
tudo.
Yes, prior consultation.
Yes. So, dapat, pag mag-consultation, dapat nakasulat talaga, may briefer, kumbaga.
May briefer.
Para alam ng client kung ano yung gagawin niya, ano yung dadalhin
Ano
niya.
yung mga kailangan niyang dalhin
Yes.
during
So,
the
with in
consultation.
case for client, yung client, alam na nila yung mga to-dos, alam na nila kung ano yung gagawin.
Ano ba ba yung exciting sa case for
sus,
client?
Gusto kong yung
Appointment.
in-app chat.
In-app chat.
Oh.
Meron na ba?
Yeah.
Sa in case for client?
In case for lawyers.
Anyway, if you want to be the first to know more about N-Case for Client, mag-comment kayo, guys. Pwede kayong mag-comment, Panyeros and Panyeros. You can also send us an email. Pwede naman. Pwede kayong mag-chat.
Actually, pag nag-register sila din, Attorney Jan, sa In-Case, we'll send them the copy, soft copy of what we did.
Actually, we had, we had presentation for our topic for today, the consultation. So
Pag
if you want,
nag-register sila,
sign up and we will send you the presentation.
yes. No, guys.
So, we
exciting
have-
yung In-Case. Kasi, case management siya. Meron na siya for lawyers,
For lawyers.
talaga.
And now, we also have for clients.
Clients.
So,
Yan.
watch out kayo on our soft launching on March 28th.
Marami tayong pakulo doon. Bibigyan tayo ng mga vouchers.
Promos we can have. They will know about it more on that date. So,
Yes.
see you.
So, don't forget, guys, In-Case will be hosting the off-court series for the entire 2026. That will be every
third
Saturday
Saturday of every month.
6 p.m. Sa
6 p.m.
Sa May, Attorney Jan, may sorpresa ako.
They will know.
Yeah.
So, mag-abang kayo sa mga posts namin on
yung
social
mga
media.
thanks, guys, for watching. So, you can
Thank you so
review
much.
this and then dun. If you have questions, we'll answer them.
Okay, and now we have come to the end of the
The session.
session. Ayun. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng nakinig.
Yeah.
Sana marami kayong nakuha, natutunan. At kung meron man kayong tanong, you can just
They
comment.
can also suggest kung ano yung topic na gusto nilang
They can also
pag-usapan.
suggest, yes, if you want to ask more, so suggest lang kayo or suggestions.
And this is your host. I'm
This has
Attorney
been-
Giovanni Hill.
And this has been your co-host for tonight, Attorney Jan. Thank you for watching Off Court series and see you next session.
Bye!
Bye!